What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Life in Style by Liz. If you are new here, my name is Liz. I am 54 years old and I love all things affordable in fashion with an edgy look. Today I am continuing that edgy look with everything from my new eyeshadow and eyeliner to this current cute outfit. Let's get right into it, you guys. I have so many brand new Walmart looks for you, and you guys, the last of my Nordstrom anniversary sale order has come in, so I do want to share those few pieces with you as well. It's going to be a great video today. Don't go anywhere. Start out with my first outfit, you guys. You guys know, as I said, I love an edgy look. And this is that one shoulder shirt. If you guys saw my video the other day, if not, it's right here. I'm going to link it for you as well at the end of the video. It was an unboxing of my Walmart order. So I was able to get through 5 outfits, and I have another round for you today because we did not finish all of that unboxing. But this is one of the shirts that I pulled out of the box. This is by Scoop. It's a sweater fabric, you guys. So it is perfect, as I mentioned in that last video, to take us from right now all the way into the holidays. And you know why? There is some sparkle threading through it. Not sure if it's showing up on camera. I'll make sure you can see it. But it is so perfect, you guys. You know how during the holidays, it is okay not to have warm clothing on. You kind of have cooler things on and just wear your warm jacket. This is perfect. This has that sparkle threading through it. Now it does come in another color. I chose, of course, this neutral color. It's in a really thick sweater fabric. It does have that one shoulder design that we love. And I just think it's so cute. Now I do want to mention that I folded it under. Here is the actual length on it. For me, that's not a good look. I prefer to show off my waist. So all I did was tuck it under. The fabric is thick enough and stiff enough. Don't take that in a negative way. It's not uncomfortable at all. And I am super sensitive to scratchiness. I promise you it's comfortable. But it is thick enough that when you fold it under, it kind of stays that way. So you don't need to do anything additional if you want to wear it this way. You could also tuck it in or leave it out depending on what your comfort level is. So I did grab this one shoulder shirt in a small. It fits me just fine. I am also wearing the Jessica Simpson cuffed jeans that I pulled out of the bag as well last time we met. And I did mention that I grabbed my regular size because I wasn't sure how they would fit. Well, you guys, they're big. I've already added to cart the size 2. These are the size 4, and they really are big. Now, some of you may wear your jeans this way. I know many people like to have their jeans comfy. These have stretch and a wide leg. I could absolutely size down 1 and be just fine. I don't like when you can see the crotch is super long. That tells me that they are too big on me. Here they are in the back, and I'm going to share them with you again when I get the size 2, but you can see just right now how nice the pocket placement is. I love that seaming that goes up. We talk about that a lot, and also a larger pocket. Now, I love a cuffed jean. If you don't, you can uncuff these. They are not sewn. I'm going to leave these alone because I do like how this looks, especially this time of year. Now, going into fall, you can also wear your cute slouchy boots underneath these. They are wide enough, and that's something that's awesome, and keep that in mind when you're deciding if you want to purchase them. So wearing them in a size 4, ordered the size 2, the top's in a small. We have so much to go over. At the very end of today's video is when I'm going to share what came in from Nordstrom for you guys. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Guys, I am back with my next look because it is still summer. I am throwing in this gorgeous dress from No Boundaries. It is so cute. You guys know I love a 70s vibe, and that is what I'm getting from this. Halters always give me that 70s vibe. Think disco, the jumpsuits, the dresses back then. So I love this. It does have a really deep V on it. I love the stripe in those earthy tones. And you guys, wait till you see it. It is a short one. So this is a mini dress. Just kidding. Guess what, you guys? It has shorts underneath. So I guess it is a dress because this is more of like a lining of shorts, but it does help. It's not going to be see-through. You do feel more confident and comfortable, and I do love that. So this is a great dress. The back is entirely open and then smocked at the waist, but it is a shorter length. So do keep that in mind. For me, and the way my body type is, I do like to wear a chunky heel with something that's this short, and I did go ahead and do that with this dress. I'm wearing another pair of Dream pairs. Lately, I've been showing you a ton of Dream pairs, but they are a great brand of shoes. So I will make sure to link these for you. You can actually get this pair over on Amazon. So loving this dress, you guys. Let me know what you think. Is it too short for you, or do you feel better because it does have those shorts? Now also keep in mind, just because I pair them with heels, you can certainly wear this dress or romper with flats, a cute crossbody bag, or a raffia bag, and it could be much more casual and a great vacation dress. I think it's adorable, and of course, because it's from No Boundaries, you know it's extra affordable. Everything is at Walmart, but No Boundaries really is. So I will link this for you. I am hanging on to summer till the very last second, and I know many of you live in climates where it's going to be warm all the way until November or December. Comment below and let me know where you guys live. I know I've got Florida, Texas, California, and Arizona. Who else do I have out there? I'll be back with my next look from Walmart. I am back with another item from our unboxing the other day. It is these long shorts. I'm going to show you them in a second, but I also have a new top that you guys have not seen. This one is so cute. It is by Scoop, and it's in a sweater fabric, you guys. It has little tiers and little ruffles on it. It ties at the top. I believe it's fixed, which is good. I don't like tying these myself. I can never get them even. They always come undone, so don't worry about it. It is fixed. I love how the bottom is like flowy and ruffled. So cute. Goes very well with these shorts. I also grabbed my Oak and Fort bag. You guys know I love this one. I carried it all around New York. It's one of my favorites because it's easy. It sits right over my shoulder. The strap's not too long. I can access things, but it also has a magnetic snap. And then in the front, I've got those two pockets. And my favorite part, you guys, it's nice and light. So I will make sure to link this for you. All right, you guys, but the star of the show is these shorts. I think they call these jorts because they're long. I don't know if that's like mocking them or what. I don't care. These have little jewels all over the front of them, which I thought made them really cute and made them able to be dressed up for like date night or going out. So I paired them with a heel and this cute ruffle top, and I think that looks really good. Guys, they are so comfortable. I grabbed them in a size 2. Not sure if I mentioned that when I unboxed them. Here they are in the back. They fit me absolutely perfectly in that size 2. I have room. They are nice and wide. There is stretch to them. They are adorable. So if you're looking for a pair of these because they are trending, grab these from Scoop. You guys are going to love them. Make sure you size down one, unless you truly want a really oversized fit, because as you can see, I've pulled them down below my waist and I still am comfortable in these. So I just love this trend. I think it's adorable. Now I would also try a tube top with these and a different kind of heel, but just for sake of time and to show you guys, I did grab my usual, my clear heels. You guys know I will link these for you. But there are so many shoes I've been showing you. All right, you guys, I have 2 more looks from Walmart, and then I have the stuff from Nordstrom that I want to show you before I let you go. I am back, everyone, and if you did see my unboxing, you guys saw this gorgeous, what I'm going to call like a kimono or a duster cardigan kimono type thing. This is so beautiful. Now it's in this really pretty eggplant color. I do also have a new cami from Scoop that I want to show you. It is so gorgeous. I just want to let you know there are so many different ways you can wear this. So I'm going to hang on to it and style it for you at least one other time. But for the sake of time and the things that I wanted to show you in today's haul, this is how I styled it. I grabbed my gold bag because there is gold in the cami, and we'll look at the cami closer in a second. And I paired it with shorts. It's still summer, you guys, and we are not going to wear long pants just yet. We can still wear our shorts if we want to. However, this does look good, the entire look, with jeans as well. I just didn't have a pair of jeans that I wanted to show you that you guys can get. All of my favorite Sofia jeans are gone. I have to find out if I can what's going on with Sofia Vergara. I have not seen anything new, and that worries me. Anyway, back to what we do have. This is a Madden NYC kimono or duster cardigan, and it's in this really sheer fabric with bell sleeves, and it ties right here, which is so cute, so you get to see what you're wearing. I love this eggplant color. I keep telling you guys, burgundies, plums, all of that is trending, and this color is right on trend for sure. This is something, yes, you can carry into fall and winter. It's not something necessarily to keep you warm. It's more like just an accent piece. It will keep you a bit warm, but not too much, so we can start wearing it now. Look at the back, you guys. It's so cute. I just think it's adorable. So I love to wear long duster cardigans or kimonos with shorts. I think it's a cute look, and it helps because I'm not a big fan of the back of my legs. So having this on is really fun as well. And it's just so cute. Like I said, you can pair it with jeans. You can wear it over a dress. You can wear it over a jumpsuit. It's just so cute. and I am hanging onto it so that you all can see it styled many different ways. So this one is gorgeous, you guys. I am going to take it off because I want to show you more of this gorgeous cami. I did grab this one in a size small. I feel like this is going to sell out. Look how beautiful it is, you guys. Look at that color. I hope it's showing up. It's like a muted, I just keep saying eggplant, just so gorgeous. All right, the cami is also gorgeous. This is in a black background. You have some lace right here, but it has these gold flecks. It's in a very short peplum, my favorite. I am short-waisted, so peplums sometimes don't look good on me, but if they're short like this one, perfect. Loving that. It does have smocking in the back and adjustable straps. And it is just perfect wearing it in a size small. It has faux buttons up the front. They actually are functional, but you just put it over your head. So cute. Now I paired everything with my favorite Levi's shorts from Amazon. They're available. I can link them for you. You don't have to, like I said, wear it like this, but these are my favorite shorts. I'm not a big lover of shorts. You guys know this, but these for some reason are so flattering. Check out the back, you guys. And the price is amazing because typically for a real pair of Levi's shorts, which is what these are, you are going to pay a lot of money. I think these were $30. I will make sure to link them down in the description box below for you. So that's the look. This cami can be worn with wide leg black pants, with long jeans, with your own shorts, with white jeans. It would look adorable. It's got something boho to it. Even though it's black and gold, it's the kind of fleck gold that's got that boho vibe. I just can't put my finger on it. But you guys will know what I mean when you see it. So loving this entire look, you guys. All right, I am coming back with my last look for you all from Walmart, and then I'm just gonna hold up and show you some of the things that I got, not too many, from Nordstrom. I'll be right back. I'm back with my last Walmart look, and yes, it's a black tube top, but guess what, you guys? These are pajamas. If you saw my unboxing, I did pull these out and I was like, oh, I got a black tube top, and I was kind of confused. Then I found the pants and realized I bought the pajamas. These are by No Boundaries. This I would consider more of a lounge set. It does have the 3 buttons right here that indicates pajamas. It's kind of like a nod to, you know, a man's pajama set, but not with this cute black tube top. It even has a little shelf bra inside, you guys. It has pockets. These pants are in a wide leg. I grabbed them in a size small. I love the fit of this. This is something I will live in around my house. If you know me, you guys know I love a black tube top. Well, I do even in loungewear. So here I am with this gorgeous set. Just wanted to show it to you because if you do work from home, but you want to look cute, you can grab this. You can throw a cardigan on if you have a video call or a blazer, and you guys will be ready to go. If you need to pick your kids up from school, run an errand, get the mail, you're still dressed and you still look cute, but I cannot tell you how comfy you are. And that is why I live in this uniform. Anyway, you guys, I also have a cute pair of shoes. Check these out. I'm going to bring them up. These are also great for running around, running errands, and especially right now, if you're not always wanting to wear open toe or flip-flops or your Birkenstock type shoes, maybe you want a cute pair of sneakers. You might have a dog that you walk all the time. Grab these, you guys. These are also by No Boundaries. I got them in the black and white. They have a nice rubber gum sole, and I just think they're so cute. They're super comfortable too. I think they're a great price for a sneaker like that. So go ahead and grab these, you guys. This right here is Velcro, and you pull them as tight or as loose as you want to. So I went ahead and grabbed these. We are all done with Walmart for right now. We're never all done with Walmart. You guys know what I mean. Okay, we're not going to do a lip combo. I'm going to tell you what I used on my eyes today, because guess what came in, you guys? Yes, I finally got my Too Faced Born This Way eyes. It's a little palette, and I do mean little, and it also comes with a full-size black eyeliner. So you can see my eyes now. I've been filming all day, so it might have worn off a bit, but I'm going to shut my eyes so you guys can see that I did a really smoky eye today, and this is the palette that I used. This is the Born This Way Cold Smolder Nude. So these are cooler nude tone eyeshadows, and then you get this full-sized eyeliner. I did a nice wing. It was very precise. You can sharpen it. I love that it's nice and dark black. Now I know you have been told probably or seen on social media that as you get older, don't wear black eyeliner. I look horrible without it. My opinion, but I really do. And And even people that know me will ask me if I'm tired, if I'm sick, am I okay, if I don't have my eyeliner on. So this is my favorite, and this is a good one. So far, so good. Of course, I'll update you on it as well. I have a little test I like to do. Is it going to run? Is it going to smudge? All that stuff. I've not worn it long enough to tell you that, but I think we're good. I think we're good. Okay, and then this is the Cold Smolder Nudes mini eyeshadow palette that I got. I actually love it because it comes with a mirror, which is nice. These are the colors, so that you can see they're sort of taupey looking, but I used this one right here, which is called Earthy, and then I did a bit of this, which is Driftwood. I also came in with that sparkle. Not sure if it's still showing up. Like I said, I did that a while ago. So this is part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Grab it if you can. Of course, I will link it for you. In addition to that, you guys, I did pick up my candle. It is over there. It's the Value Spa Watermelon, Kalahara Watermelon candle. I do have to confess that I was looking at the wrong one in the store. This was $24, and I was thinking, why is it so cheap? $24 is great. Wow, this sale is great. Well, the sign was showing me the medium-sized, not quite the large one, but it's actually for the small one. I can tell you, though, that is so powerful and so fantastic. I'd get it again if I could. And I actually might go back on and get another one for other parts of my house. My room smells fantastic. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Value Spa. That is the brand of candle this is. They are sold in higher end stores, and there's a reason, because they are really good. If you're someone who likes to, as they say, romanticize your life, grab that candle. You guys will thank me. The smell is amazing. All right, that came in. My eyeshadow came in, and I snuck this in last second, you guys. These were under $30, I believe. The brand is BP, and I got a size small, and these are wide leg fleece pants. You guys, I live in wide leg black fleece pants. You can see I have a summer version on with the no boundaries, but I also like the thicker as the weather changes, and these look really cute with my UGG slippers as well. So I did go ahead and grab these. They do come, I think, in other colors. Black is always going to be my baseline, you guys. So I would love to wear this with my UGG slippers and maybe a vest and a long sleeve black shirt in the fall as the weather changes. These are so thick. I actually purchased this brand, BP, in full outfits for both of my daughters. One got a gray set and the other got a tan set for Christmas last year. You guys, they have washed up so very well, and I wash all of their clothes. I can tell you that these are lasting them far better than some of the other things. So I did go ahead and grab these, and the price was amazing. So I'm going to link those for you as well. And one last thing before I let you go, I do want to show you my nails. I have had these on for like 12 days. I'm going to insert a picture of the first day that I put them on, and they really look just as good, and it's been that long. So these nails were gifted to me by a brand called La Mimosa, and this is another set that they sent me with the pink and white stripe. I'm going to link these for you as well, but these are really good. I found them to be as good as Glamnetics, which is fantastic because Glamnetics are a little more pricey, but they do last a long time, and that's what I'm finding with these. So check these out if you are a press-on nails girl. All right, you guys, that is it, and I think that was enough for today. If you did like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, even if it's an emoji. It really does help out my channel. Also, make sure you're subscribed. I do plan on doing some live videos. I did one in New York, and I'm going to do that again. So make sure you get all of my notifications. And I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.